How to position yourself as an expert using your blog. Have you ever wondered how you could make yourself stand out as the expert in your niche? Some people think it's all about using long, difficult words to impress their readers with their immense knowledge. It's not. In fact, studies have shown that readers in general see people who write in a way that is hard to understand as stupid. If you can explain a difficult topic with simple words, you'll show your expertise in a way that your readers will appreciate. Well, there's more to it. Can you imagine going to a lawyer and asking him a tough judicial question about an incident that is only likely to happen once in 1,000 years, and then get an answer straight away without him consulting books or other lawyers? If a lawyer behaved like that, would you see him as a true expert? Or rather like someone who has a very fragile ego and who feels threatened by others? It's a strange fact that by using other people's opinions on your blog, you stand out as an expert, because it shows that you dare to face opponents. Using other people's opinions on your blog in between your text has a name. It's called curation. One way to use curation is to first find a topic you have a great deal of knowledge about. Pick one issue within that topic. Let's say your blog's about dog training, and you want to stand out as the expert when it comes to stopping your dog from barking. Find quotes or videos that agree with your way of training a dog, and find opposing videos or quotes. Write your blog post like you would normally do, using simple words, and then point to opinions that are contrary to yours and tell your reader why you disagree. Then add opinions that agree with your point of view, and tell your readers why you agree with that. Sum it all up with a conclusion. A blog post written this way will position yourself as an expert, especially if you write a lot of other blog posts about similar topics.